sometimes sit alone, wishing for the perfect fantasy? Has love passed you by? Do you dream of encounters with a perfect mate? Or spending precious moments getting close to someone you could really love? For just 99 cents per minute, indulge your fantasy. It's live. Call 976-2200 now.
Some scientists claim the billion-dollar diet industry preys on the desperation of 70 million overweight Americans. If you've dieted and failed, find out why. Watch Weight Control, a fat-free future.
WNUV-TV, Baltimore 54, your pet of the day station. We're sure you enjoyed Tom Atkins and Dan O'Herlihy in Halloween 3 on Baltimore 54's Trick or Treat triple feature. And now, a terror tale sure to make you well. It's Gunnar Hansen as Old Leatherface in Tobe Hooper's cult classic, Texas Chain Saw Massacre. The Texas Chain Saw Massacre contains scenes of graphic violence realistically portrayed. Viewer discretion is strongly recommended.
You tired of going places alone?
Uh-huh.
Would you like to meet other single people?
Yeah.
Then call the dating hotline. Hundreds of singles are waiting for your call.
But who's got the number? I've got the number. I've got the number. Great game.
I've got the number.
It's 976-5000. Call now and meet someone special. Only 69 cents per minute. That's 976-5000.
Now I've got the number.
Now, back to Baltimore 54's Trick or Treat triple feature with Texas Chain Saw Massacre. Thank you for joining us for the Baltimore 54 Trick or Treat triple feature. Monday night at 8, Teenage Wasteland Week begins with Emilio Estevez and Judd Nelson starring in The Breakfast Club. That's Monday night at 8 on Baltimore 54's 8 o'clock movie. Tuesday night at 8, it's the story of coming of age in Baltimore when the Colts were king and the guys all hung out at the diner.
He's already up to the Pimlico. Right? Then he's got the Junction and the Avalon, the Garrison. That's the Georgia's Deluxe in the corner. We always got the diner.
Filmed on location in Baltimore and starring Stephen Guttenberg and Mickey Rourke. Join Baltimore 54 for Diner as Teenage Wasteland Week continues on the 8 o'clock movie.
I'll see you guys later at the diner, okay?
WNUV-TV, Baltimore 54, your pet of the day station. This concludes another broadcast day on WNUV-TV, Baltimore 54. WNUV is owned and operated by New Vision Associates, Limited Partnership, and licensed by the Federal Communications Commission to operate on Channel 54 between 710 and 716 megahertz. WNUV's offices and studios are located at 3001 Druid Park Drive in Baltimore, with transmitting facilities located at 2038 Powers Lane in Catonsville. Join us again tomorrow for more of the finest in independent television programming. Good night.